Okay, so let's get started on doing this fairly easy look that I did today. Everything that I used was basically from the drugstore or the beauty supply store, whichever one. So it was pretty affordable, and I tried to make that the actual concept of this video. Okay, so what I did here was I used the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil in the shade Black, and then I just carved out my eyebrows with the Maybelline Master Conceal in the shade Medium. And I also used that with the really old e.l.f. angled brush. Okay, so here I also used something else that I found a while ago from e.l.f. It's called an e.l.f. Smudge Pot, and it's basically a cream shadow, and I got it in the shade Brownie Points. So what I did was I took like a really flat, I guess this was another brush to use to carve out your eyebrows, but I use this for like shadows and cut creases and stuff. And so I used it to just basically pack the shadow onto both my lids, and then I just blended it out with a fluffy brush from BH Cosmetics. Alright, so basically I'm in the process of color correcting and foundation and all that. So I used the Black Radiance True Complexion HD Corrector in the shade Salmon. On top of that, I used the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Foundation in the shade C6. And as for concealer, I went ahead and used the NYX Cosmetics HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in the shade CW06.7 Caramel. So to blend out my concealer, I used a sponge that I got from CVS, and I think it was by the brand, I think it was called like Beauty 360 or something. And I used it to blend out my concealer and to also set my face with the setting powder that I use, which was also the Coty Airspun setting powder that I got from Walmart. And I believe that's around, what, $3 to $4, depending on where you get it from. Okay, so for contour and blush, I used the e.l.f. Contouring Blush and Bronzing Powder Duo. There was a sticker on the back that said the color, but I think I might have peeled it off a while ago and just threw it somewhere. I don't remember which shade it is, but I got it from Target. It was about $3 or $4, and if you do see it, make sure you find the one that best fits your skin tone, because there's some that are darker than this one, and then there's some that are lighter as well. It's not just this shade. I don't know if you guys could tell, but I was like really struggling to do my liner on camera. Same thing with putting on my lashes. So I used the e.l.f. liquid liner in the shade Charcoal, and as for lashes, I used the Miss 3D Volume Lash in the style M314. For the lips, I used the NYX Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Dark Brown, and on top of that, I used the Nika K Diamond Glow lip gloss in the shade Elegant. As my highlight, I used the Maybelline Master Chrome highlight in the shade Molten Gold, and then finally for setting spray, I used the Pearl Essence Rose Water setting spray. And that's pretty much the finished look. If you guys liked this video, go ahead and subscribe, give me a like, a comment, and thank you for watching. Bye.